Okay, this is stock number 8-124M. It's a 2008 Honda Civic EX two-door coupe. 1.8 liter Cali motor. Had it running for about a half hour or so. When it first starts up, it squeaks like crazy. One of the pulleys is starting to go. But aside from that, it seems like it's all right. We got, oh, the trunk's open. We got no lights on. 169, 290 for miles. Give me a sec. There we go. Okay. Now we can drive it. All right. Brakes are low. But it seems to be all right, I guess. Got a tire pressure light that just came on, so hopefully I'm not running on a flat. I didn't even check that. And the steering's a little wonky too. It's like it wanders. And the brakes are getting worse. So I don't know what's up with that. Yeah, I know, seatbelt. Yeah, transmission seems alright, I guess, but these brakes are bad. I think he's got a leak somewhere in this thing, because they're getting worse and further to the floor. So something's gonna have to get done on that. But reverse works fine. Yeah. So okay. I mean, I'll say good drivetrain, I guess. I think he wants to sell this one, so you know, whatever. We'll do it.